one of the questions that I ask people, of course, is what are you doing now? What is your employment? And, people are pretty easy to be able to answer that question. But then I get to ask the question, what do you like about it? And sometimes people haven't really thought about it, or maybe they went to school for it and that's kind of always what they thought they would be doing, and that's what they do. I get a lot of lawyers that don't want to be lawyers anymore, not gonna lie. Anyway, the other thing I get to ask though is, what do you not like about it? What in your job, even if it's a great job and you're making great money, what do you not like about it? Is it possibly managing a lot of people, or sometimes it can feel like babysitting? Or is that the part you love? You love leading a team and you love kind of mentoring people into a better position. I never want to assume that what I wouldn't like about your job, you don't like about your job. So please don't get frustrated with that question. Some people will say, well, obviously, and I'm like, no, it's not obvious, because what you like about what you're doing at your current place of employment, even if you're looking to start your own business, I want to be able to take that strength that you have and that love that you have for whatever's happening. I want to be able to take it with you, but I also want to be able to leave what you don't like about your current position. If you don't like managing a big team and having to go to 30 meetings a week, I'm going to look for a brand that's possibly a little bit simpler to oversee and doesn't require your time to be taking notes at a million meetings. I think that's only fair. And so definitely think about that before we talk. What do you love about your job, and what do you not love, even maybe hate about your job?